Did you know that small, consistent food choices can help control blood sugar and protect your heart? The DASH4D diet, short for Dietary Approaches to Stop Hypertension for Diabetes, is a science-backed way to eat smarter, live healthier, and manage type 2 diabetes naturally. Start with vegetables. They're your foundation. Aim for 4 to 5 servings each day. That's about 1-2 cup cooked or 1 cup raw per serving. Think spinach, carrots, broccoli, or mixed salads. Colorful plates mean more nutrients. Next, choose whole grains or healthy carbs, 4 to 6 servings per day. 1 serving equals 1 part 2 cup cooked rice, pasta, or 1 slice of whole grain bread. Swap white rice for brown rice, quinoa, or oats to keep blood sugar steady. Include beans or lentils 3 to 4 times per week. Just 1/2 to 1 cup cooked adds fiber and helps your body process sugar slowly. Think lentil soup, black beans, or chickpeas. For protein, focus on lean meats, poultry, or fish. 2 palm-sized portions a day, about 3 to 4 ounces each, are enough. Try grilled fish, baked chicken, tofu, or eggs. Enjoy 2 to 3 servings of fruit per day, about 1 small fruit or 1 2-cup sliced. Great options include apples, berries, oranges, or papaya. Combine fruit with protein, like yogurt or nuts, to avoid blood sugar spikes. Add a small handful of nuts or seeds daily, around 1/4 cup. Choose healthy fats like olive oil, avocado, or canola oil, and limit added fats to 2 to 3 teaspoons a day. Keep sodium below 1,500 milligrams per day. That's about 2/3 of a teaspoon of salt. Stay hydrated with water, unsweetened tea, or sparkling water. Avoid sugary drinks. They can raise glucose fast. Following these simple DASH4D guidelines can help lower blood pressure, stabilize blood sugar, and improve your energy every day. Healthy eating isn't about restriction, it's about balance. What's one small food change you'll make this week?